Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how to make the easiest and yummiest makhana recipe. So guys, for the masala, you will have to take 1/8 teaspoon of peppercorns, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander seeds, and 1 cardamom pod and 4 cloves. So I'm going to be using this to powder my masala. So I'm going to powder it and be back. So guys, now I've powdered this and let's see what we have to do next. Okay guys, so now I've took 3 cups of makhana and you're going to first dry roast it. You're going to first dry roast this until it becomes crispy. And guys, be careful near fire. And guys, you need to keep tossing it around, or else the makhana, only a few makhanas which are in the bottom will get cooked and sometimes even burnt. So you need to keep tossing it around. And when you feel your makhanas are ready, then you can take it off the flame. So guys, now after you roast the makhana, now to the kadai, you're going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee, or you can also use butter. First you're going to put the ghee, then you're going to on the gas. So you're going to add 2 teaspoons of ghee, then keep it in sim. And here I've mixed 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and the masala that we grinded earlier. And then I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, but actually you can add as per taste. And then I'm going to add 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric. Okay, now to this, you're going to add your makhana. You guys can also adjust the chili powder as per your taste. Like if you can't eat much spicy food, you can add 1/4 teaspoon. I've used half a teaspoon here. Make sure you mix it well so that all your makhana gets the masalas in, because sometimes when you don't mix it, some makhanas only get the masalas and most of the makhanas just become plain. So make sure you mix it properly. And for about 2 minutes just roast it. You need not roast it for a long time because our makhanas are already crispy. Okay guys, now after 2 minutes I'm going to switch off the flames and I'm going to transfer it to a bowl. Guys, your delicious makhana is ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye. See you in the next video.